AMC stock analysis and AMC stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Especially looking at AMC Entertainment holdings now, it's a bullish market, you know, with a 1.4% increase. Quite like it. I myself have done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I have seen what's making me money and what's not. AMC specifically, man, oof, it's in a beautiful demand zone, right? And if this sort of doesn't give me that shift, then I guess I'm not going to be buying whatsoever. So how's the shift going to look like? Well, ideally, I want to see shifts like above here, 338, which we're 312, you know, sort of seems like we're quite far away from it, but it's actually not. That's one way to look at things. And the second way, I mean, unless the rules are met, I'm not even going to draw it, you know, there's no reason to. So I'm quite excited. I do have a lot of previous receipts in the Discord. Like you can see 39 results pop up in the analysis section. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. If you also want to stay tuned, click the first link below, get my free insights.